Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you a one website where we can go to create a very high quality do follow profile backlink, and also you can create your forum backlink in this website. This site is closely related to the forum site, so you can see the website name is forums.tomshardware.com. So this site is closely relevant for the hardware industry. So if you are in computer or hardware industry, so definitely you can consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so before this started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 85, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 91, and the spam score is only 1%. So this is a very high authoritative website. Okay, so you can see this is a dashboard. So before they started, we did some research around this website authority and another thing, and you can see this website having 17 million monthly visits on this website, and mostly traffic from USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, and another countries. So this is a best website so where you can create your backlink. Okay, so let's navigate back to this forum site. How you can create your profile in this website? So you can see top of the right corner there is a register button. You can click on this. You can fill your username, so DML training. Then after you can put your email address here, then your password, you can choose your password, select password. Okay, it is not recommending. Then after, if you, so you can check this no, then after you can acknowledge the terms and condition and click on the register button. So our account is created, so it will asking you, so you can verify your account. So you receive the activation email, so you can check your Gmail. So I didn't receive yet, so let's refresh once. But it's taking time on this account because just while ago I created another profile to I can verify how we can create our backlink here. So your account is currently awaiting approval by an administrator. You will receive email when decision has been taken. Return to the home page. Okay, let's see if I receive. So I didn't receive the activation email. Might I just created account using this IP address, so that's why they are not sending the activation email. So I can show you how you can receive the email. So you can see this is my another account. 11 minutes ago I created account here, and I received this activation email. So simply you can click on this confirm your email. So then it will be navigate you to on this interface. So I can show you how you can optimize your profile. So simply you can click on this your username. Oops, we run into some problems. You have banned for following reasons. Is spam, please contact to the administrator.
This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co.
Okay, so how you can optimize your profile on this website. So actually, I'm not the totally relevant for this platform. We are providing a video interviewing software, so we are not relevant to the hardware industry. So that's why they banned my account. So, but I will show you how you can create your overall the profile in this website. So first, if you're wanting, so you can change your profile picture on clicking there. Then after you can click on the account details, and you can see our account is not active to we can make any changes here. Still I didn't receive any activation email. Insta paper and another thing, okay, I didn't received. So then after you can update your profile picture from there. Then after you can update your account details. So where you can navigate, so you can navigate to the there might you can get the options, so signature options, so where you can update your profile description kind of things, like you can put your website a title there on the signature option, where you can hyperlink your targeted keyword. Okay, once you guys will complete these things, then after you can navigate to the home page, and you can see there is a new post option, so you can click on this new post. You are able to post your threads on this website. So I don't have a full access for this website, so you can also get the another option here. Another option is post your thread post. So you can click on the post thread. Then after you can select category. So you can see this is graphic cards, system components, are the CPU, storage, memory, display. So overall, this site is highly relevant for the hardware industry. My work is to I can share with you this website because I'm not the right person other than a relevant platform, relevant industry, so I can create my backlink in this website, because I'm not the relevant for the hardware industry. My business not the relevant for the hardware industry, so that's why I'm not able to create account in this website, because they maintain the privacy and the spam things. So that's why these things are happening. So you can create an account creation process is very simple, and there you can get the options to post the your forum, and also you have options so you can interact with the any kind of forums. So you guys will explore the things, explore this platform. So overall, this is the process to what I can share with you guys. So you can explore the another things on yourself. So okay, yeah. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching, and I can also provide this website URL in the description section, so where you guys will access easily. Okay, yeah. So if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you guys will going to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care. And another important message for me and you guys, I started a new channel. The name is Soul Prof. So I can also attach the link in the description section. So from you guys will explore the my another YouTube channel where I publish my personal stuff, like where I'm traveling, what I'm doing, that kind of stuff. So if you are interested, and if you love to watch the my stuff, so definitely you guys will also um share your supports on the my another YouTube channel. Okay, so okay, bye bye and take care.